Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the master power window switch on this 2004 Dodge Stratus, same as any 01 to 06 Stratus. If your windows stop working on the door, so if you're, say, your right rear window, the window's not working at the door anymore, but it still works with the master window switch, that is an indication that either your door switch is going bad or your master switch is going bad. Tools you'll need are a small flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a putty knife for a door panel clip tool, and a T20 Torx driver.
I use a small flat blade screwdriver, and down in the pull cup here, pry up a little trap door. There's a Phillips screw in there, and then in behind your door handle, there's another Phillips screw in there. Okay, and then there's 3 Phillips screws, one there, there, and then one on the back edge here.
Okay, just going to fast forward as I use a Phillips screwdriver and remove 6 screws in all.
Okay, this triangle up here can just pull out. All you need is a putty knife. Kind of get down in behind the door panel here, slide it down, pull it out, and start to pull the pins. And then the door panel comes up. Right here is your lock harness. The little button, press on that, disconnect. Okay, on your latch rod, there's a clip. Just going to reach in behind with my finger. Pull that clip off, and the rod comes up and off. And then lastly, down here, is your window harness. There's a button right in the middle. You really got to push that button and then work the harness out. Okay, and your door panel's off. Once your door panel's off, you want to check these aqua clip pins here, because there could be pins stuck inside them. Use a pair of needle nose pliers, pull the pins out, and then reinstall them on the inside of your door panel. With your panel off, turn it over here, and your window switch is right here. It's held in by 3 T20 Torx screws. I'm using a T20 Torx driver to remove them. And it's right here. And then there's one back in here, hard to film. Push my driver against the door panel. Okay, with those screws out, the switch comes right out. Okay, a new switch from 1A Auto. Gonna drop right in there. Get it kind of lined up. Goes in.
And just speed up here. Carefully get those screws started by hand, and then again use your T20 Torx driver to put them in and tighten them up. You don't have to get them extremely tight, just nice and firm to hold it in place.
Put your door panel back on. First reconnect your power window switch. Make sure it clicks. Bring it close. Reconnect your power door locks. Okay. Take this rod, put it into the hole, and slip the clip right around, flip it on. Okay, make sure your lock goes through. There is a large locating tab, goes into a big hole. Once you've got that, make sure your pins go in. Cheat back, make sure all the pins go in correctly. Okay, and now it's just a matter of replacing all the Phillips screws.
Okay, so we'll speed up as we replace all those screws. And there was one down in the door cup, behind the door panel, 3 at the bottom, and then 1 at the back. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.